Welcome. If you want to connect with people or devices around you using Telegram, you'll need to make sure the app has permission to access nearby devices on your phone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to allow nearby devices access for Telegram. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is where you manage everything from Wi-Fi to notifications. Next, scroll down the menu until you see the option called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to view the list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Telegram in the list. You can either scroll manually or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you spot Telegram, tap on its name to open the app's settings page. Inside the Telegram app settings, look for the permission section. This is where you control what information and features Telegram can access on your device, such as your camera, contacts, and more. Tap on Permissions to continue. Here, you'll see a list of all the different permissions available for Telegram. Find the option labeled Nearby Devices. Tap on it, and then select Allow to grant Telegram access to nearby devices. That's it. You've just enabled Nearby Devices access for Telegram. With this permission turned on, Telegram can discover and connect with devices or people around you, making it easier to use features like sharing files, finding local contacts, or connecting with nearby businesses. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Remember, managing your app permissions gives you control over your privacy and helps you get the most out of your apps. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to connect with nearby devices on Telegram. Enjoy exploring what's around you.